Okay, we're here in Maui. We just finished the Networking 360 event, the second one ever from GAWDA, and we want to do a kind of a post-game recap of it. So, Terry, first of all, from a supplier standpoint, how did it work out, and did you hear any good feedback for the group?
Sure. Thank you, Tim. And yeah, thank you again. Tim did an awesome job today. In terms of suppliers, so one of the things that we were looking for is we were trying to increase engagement amongst the suppliers with the distributors. I think we hit it out of the park today. The feedback that we got was this is the best 360 program people have participated in. That says a lot because our suppliers participate in a lot of networking programs like this, speed dating, or whatever. So, that was great feedback. And in terms of timing, I think the timing went really well.
Okay, perfect. And Justin, you are the co-chair from the distributor side. Give us some distributor feedback, and from the distributor perspective, how did things go?
Great, thank you. First, I just want to thank all of the distributors that showed up. We had full participation, and without distributors, this program doesn't work at all. We always know that the suppliers are going to show up to talk to distributors, but just can't be more thankful and pleased that all the distributors that signed up showed up. So it gave suppliers 5 minutes of fame, right? 5 minutes of an opportunity to tell distributors what they do and what they sell, and it gave us an opportunity to listen and learn and build our network, which is what this whole program's about.
All right, and last but not least, we've got our board liaison, Gary Halter. You're the incoming president. How are you going to top this in Arizona? And, do you have any kind of a preview for us?
Wow, a preview for Arizona? Not yet. Working on that. We've got actually a planning committee meeting coming up in early January. But I guess here's what I want to say. Something like this doesn't happen without having really four things. Great teamwork, chemistry amongst the three different groups that really put this on, having a little bit of humility, both sides, the distributor as well as the supplier, and then just being grateful for the environment that we're in and the wonderful industry that we have an opportunity to live and learn in. So, but I will say this. San Antonio is where the Spring Management Conference is going to be. And let's just get ahead of this. There is going to be a music theme, which will be either wear your favorite rock and roll or musical individual that you love the most. I will probably wear an AC/DC outfit and or the your favorite concert T-shirt. So let's just get ahead of that as far as we plan for the SMC in San Antonio. And Timmy, great job, bud. So one more thing. You're a softball guy. You still play. And you played all three sports in high school. And we're 2 for 2 on the 360. The first one was a double. This is a triple. And we'll hit a home run in Phoenix. Great job, guys. Amen. Appreciate everything.
All right, that's a wrap for the 360. Looking forward to next year. And thank you to everybody that participated in the event.